Hello to all. Today I'm going to show you that how we can deploy our Streamlit app. I already have an house prediction web app. If you don't know about it, go and check the project playlist on my channel. For the deployment, first we have to create an account on Heroku. Let's go. I already have an account on Heroku. Now go to files of web app. Make sure we should have procfile and setup.sh files. Proc file here and setup.sh file here. Let's rename it setup.sh. Now what is proc file? Proc file, it contains and declares a variety of types like our web server, and it contains our name of app to run on Heroku. Now close it. Now our setup.sh file use, it is a small program for bash. It is written in the bash language and executed in command line interface. Now you have to make requirement.txt file. This file which contains all the libraries which is used to install in Heroku. We can create it by using cmd. First, activate your environment by env scripts activate. This command helps us to activate our environment. And now to create our requirement.txt, write pip freeze requirements.txt. This after executing this line, it will create our requirement.txt file. After that, we have to upload all these files in our GitHub repositories. So I have already have a repository in our GitHub in which all the files are uploaded. Okay. Remember this name of our repository. It will use in our Heroku app to deploy our app from direct GitHub. Now in our dashboard of Heroku app, click on new. Then click on create new app. And now we have to set our name, our web app name. I am creating Streamlit House Pricing. Now click on create app. Now we have option Heroku Git GitHub. We can deploy our web app by using CLI commands. For this we have to install this software. Now I am going to deploy my web app from GitHub. So for that, click on GitHub and paste and write our repository name, the house pricing. Now search. Now can click on connect option. It will connect your GitHub repository to the Heroku. Now after connecting it will show our two options. One is enable automatic deploys and second one is deploy branch. So in this option, enable the automatic deploys, whenever you change your code Whenever you change your code in GitHub, behave it automatically change our code in here also. Now I'm going to deploy as a GitHub branch. Now click on the deploy branch. Now it started to install all the requirements of libraries from our requirement.txt. We have to wait for some minutes. See, now our profile is declaring our web app here. Make sure that in our setup.sh file we have same name in our profile. We have same name of our app.py, and we have here also app.py. You see, this is our website in which our web app works. Now it is successfully deployed. We can click on view to see it. Now see, first time it will take times. Now see, our model is ready. I, I hope you enjoyed it, this video. Thank you and please subscribe the channel. Bye.